All right, everyone, we're going to take a quick look at Zero1 Labs here. The ticker is DEAI. We've never looked at this one before. The best chart I could do it was the CoinEx chart here. So we're on the 3-day CoinEx non-log scale chart because it is the one that made the most sense here. Now, I did throw up two different market caps here on the screen, 100 million and 170 million. And I believe the 1618 up here at 232 was about 530 million, if I remember correctly. I could be wrong on that. But you can kind of ignore the market caps for now because I do not have the time in the day to keep updating every single coin and token, their token unlocks, every month. Zero1 Labs here on the 19th of every month, they're releasing about 2.5%, for the rest of the year, and then it kind of changes into next year. Sometimes it's 3%. You'd have to go look that up on CoinMarketCap, of course. So that will slowly change the market caps as the time goes by and the price goes up, of course. So we're just going to simply focus on some targets and some prices here. And you can see potentially putting in a bottom here. So we're going to keep it that simple. If you can stay over 15 cents, you're currently at 17.8 and you are down almost 7% on the week here. But on the smaller time frames, of course, you are trying to hold on to the market structure here. You could see with the, if I simply draw on the chart here from that bottom there, this market structure that you have forming here. So that's what you want to hold. And you just keep it that simple. As long as that is holding and the price doesn't come down and break that structure, that'll tell you you're coming back down to 15 and potentially lower. But keep it simple. As long as you're over 15, let's go back over to the 3-day chart here. You do have a chance at making a move back up to the macro 236. So the bottom is technically not in until you get back over 46 pennies here on this chart. So just keep that in mind. And we need DEAI to move up, as you can see here, about 160%. So until you move up that much and get over this price here, and even if we scroll back in the past, you can see all the support at this level. You can see that until it broke it here and then it came down. So until it gets back over this support, now resistance, this thing could continue to go lower. So just keep that in mind. Now, the first stop we do have going from low to the high, if it does drop below 15, would be down here, in my opinion, to 7 pennies. So if at all you break that structure and you fall back down to 15, you're going to drop back down 16%. And then if 15 does not hold, then you expect this thing to drop about 60% down to 7 pennies there. And then, of course, we're not macro bullish until we get back over the 382, technically at 66. But one thing I would notice also is the 0.5 here at 82. All of these candle wicks that got stuck at that 0.5 level here. And that could tell us once we get over 82, that is, that's when she's going to start going to the moon. Now, with all that being said, how high can this thing go? You can see that we're going to go down to that 618 level at 98. And if we only do a 618 retracement on the chart to where the price comes up here, and say it does bounce and we get a move up and we start moving up, if it only does a 618 retracement up to almost $1, then you're you're guaranteed to get about a 5.5x on your investment here. So that's not bad in my opinion. Now, if it does the 786 retracement, which as of right now, until the tokens are unlocked this next month, you can see, or this month rather, you can see that 109 million at the moment, $1.20, a 786 retracement is going to get you almost a 7x on your investment if you think the bottom is in here. And without making this one too long, if it's going to make a new high, according to the best chart I can find here on the CoinEx chart, that's going to take you up to the 1272, and about $1.86 would be potentially a top price here, potentially higher than that. And that's where you're going to get a little over a 10x. So you do have some prices here to watch. 82, a dollar, and then about $1.20. All your retracement levels here would be, in my opinion, good profit taking areas, and then just kind of let some more ride to see how high this thing is going to go. So hopefully all that helped. None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.